Nature is an infinite sphere whose center is everywhere and circumference is nowhere. Okay, let's take an analogy. The mountains that ring me, well, mostly. Imagine those mountains are the boundary of creation, and the center is wherever I'm standing. Then the center is everywhere because if I move, okay, I have moved, but compared to how far they are, I have barely moved at all. And if they were infinitely far, the amount I would have moved relative to them, relative to how long the nearest one is almost unchanged. And its circumference is nowhere because they're just sort of there, but I can never really get there because they're too far.